Welcome back to Math Tricks Part 2. And for this lesson, I have 3 more tricks for you. Let's begin with the first one. I'll show you how to go from a mixed fraction to an improper fraction. Remember that a mixed fraction, for example, 2 and 3 over 7, that's when you have a whole number being added to a fraction, can be converted into improper by doing the following. Now remember, an improper fraction is when the number at the top, the numerator, is larger than the one at the bottom, the denominator. So here's what you do. 7 times 2, the product of that, which is 14, is added to the number at the top. 14 plus 3 is 17 over 7. That's it. That's all it takes. So just to make sure that you understand, this fraction is the exact same thing as 17 over 7. The next trick that I want to show you is how to find the percent discount. So let's say that you're at the mall and you find something that is 30% off, let's say, $70. And you want to find out how much you'll be saving. For this, you'll take each of these numbers and divide it by 10. For example, 30 by 10 is 3, and 70 divided by 10 is 7. You then multiply 3 and 7 together, and you end up with 21. This means that you'll be saving $21 from the 70. So all you'll be paying is $49. 70 minus 21 is 49. Finally, in the third trick, I'll show you how to combine fractions through addition and subtraction. Now, when it comes to adding or subtracting fractions, students usually have a hard time. But you shouldn't feel that way, because if you know this trick, you can pretty much add any two fractions that you like. Let's take, for example, 3 over 4 plus 7 over 8. To combine these fractions, you first start by multiplying the denominators. So 4 times 8 is 32. Once you find your common denominator, you'll put a line that represents the fraction symbol. And now you'll do the following. You take the denominator of one of the fractions and multiply it to the opposite numerator. 4 times 7 is 28. And since 7 is over here, you put the 28 right there. 8 times 3 is equal to 24. And you put the 24 right there. And since they're being separated by a plus, you place that in between. 24 plus 28 is equal to 52. 52 over 32 is your answer. And if you want to reduce this fraction, you should end up with 13 over 8. Just simply divide the top and the bottom by 2 until you eventually end up with 13 over 8. And there you have it. 3 more math tricks that you can use in your toolbox to tackle everyday math problems.